I am back on track when it comes to fitness, weight loss, meal prepping, making sure I get my macros because the last couple of weeks I have not been hitting my protein goals. So I have boneless Korean barbecue short ribs in my crock pot. I'm also going to be doing some ground chicken prep. I'm going to make some meatballs. I'm going to make some flowers. Take care of yourself. You're important. I have some Korean barbecue short ribs started in my crock pot. 10 hours on low and slow. This is not glamorous. This is not fancy. 2 pounds of ground chicken. I'm just gonna brown it with salt and pepper, and then I can General Tso it, I can lettuce wrap it, I can taco it for the next 3 days, hit my macros with lean protein. Anybody who's on a fitness journey, weight loss journey, health gain journey, make sure that you're meal prepping. It's gonna save you money. It will save you time. It will save you decision fatigue. And I do a beef in the crock pot on Sundays, and I'm starting to do ground chicken. It's gonna carry me through hopefully Thursday morning, maybe Wednesday night, and I'll hit my macros. Anytime I buy ground meat, it saves me cash, for sure. And I just like to pat it down in the pan, mush it up with my hands, because I don't like those little wormy grains that ground meat has. So get over your ground meat issues, throw it in the pan, and then chunk it up. Sauerkraut has been my savior. If you are in California and you're next to a Sprouts, the Cleveland kimchi is fantastic. It's buy one, get one free. They're usually $6.49 to $6.99 a pack. So this gets it down to $3. It is delicious. I bought many flavors. It's good for your gut microbiome. It's good for your skin. You know, when in doubt, crowd it out. Peonies are in season. So at Trader Joe's, you can grab a bunch of peonies for $5.99. One of my favorite things to pair with a peony is fresh eucalyptus. So, and while I'm doing it, I'm gonna crack open. It's a sparkling white wine with oranges from Valencia. All right, get ready to pivot your life because Sundays have become about self-care. And when I'm really on target with the life that I want to live now and to set myself up for success, Sundays are about meal prepping and creating a beautiful space for me to meet my goals and to be happy and grateful for where I am. So I am going to crack up a bottle of sparkling wine that I found at Trader Joe's, which is a white wine infused with Valencia oranges, peonies, and eucalyptus. So beautiful pops of color, great relaxing scents, and I'm meal prepping. So I hit my macros and set myself up for success all week. So please take time to do some self-care on Sundays. You're worth it. I have 2 pounds of ground chicken with salt, pepper, a little bit of chili flakes, a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder, browning. And I'm going to turn that into tacos and lettuce cups with additional sauces throughout the week. And I'm also going to try this week to increase some of my fiber using the Harvest blend. And instead of water, I'm going to make it with their bone broth. So upping the protein, upping the fiber, and using it as a base for some of my chicken bowls. So meal prep, you're worth it. Let's get ready to pour some of this Tarangino frizzante. I have been saying that wrong in all of my other videos. Maybe. Tarangino? Tarangino? Somebody correct me below. All right, I found another interesting wine from Trader Joe's and I can't wait to try it. So it's a Spanish white wine that has been fermented with Valencian orange juice. And I am excited to crack it open pronto. And I'm going to sip on this while I'm creating a beautiful bouquet of peonies and eucalyptus that I also bought in season, and it's gonna be lovely. So the peonies were $9.99 a bunch. The eucalyptus was $4.99 a bunch. I just have 2 bunches of each. The Tarangino frizzante was $12.99, and it's a limited release at Trader Joe's. So if it's any good, run out and get it. I'm gonna pour a glass and let you know. Let's clink and drink. Who doesn't love a screw top? Ooh, it's a beautiful orange color. Very apricot-y. Effervescence, nice bubbles. Moderate dissipation. Let me take a smell. It's all about the bouquet. Let's sniff. Subtle citrus. I don't know if I smell orange. It's a little floral. Could also be impacted by the peonies. I'm gonna sip. Ooh, it's much sweeter on the palate. It's kind of like a flat mimosa when you run out of orange juice. On second taste, I definitely taste the white wine. It's almost Sauvignon-esque. I would serve it for brunch. I don't know if I would just drink it on the porch. So if you're looking for an interesting brunch edition, for $12.99, I'd pick up a bottle and let people try it. I don't know if it's a repeat buy for me. Clink and drink. Cheers to you. 10 minutes, $27. I have a beautiful bouquet. A nice glass of sparkling orange frizzante. And a little vase of eucalyptus to put in my bathroom. I have the Harvest Blend with quinoa and lentils and couscous from Trader Joe's in the same pan that I browned the chicken in with bone broth. Get your protein, ladies, and anybody else who's on a health journey. I swear, whenever I'm meal prepping, I'm never hungry for what I'm actually making. So I'm taking a little protein break, and I'm going to have some marinated artichokes and a little individual salami, cheese, and olive container with some of the sparkling Spanish wine. So let me plate this because plating is important. I don't eat out of packages. I eat off of plates, mindful meals, and I'll be back. In under 12 minutes, I have some fantastic fiber-filled grains that have been prepared in bone broth, which ups the protein. Cool it, put it in your bowls, put it in your meal prep, get your fiber and your protein, and your body will thank you. So this is what I call a smoke show. A little meal prepping, some chicken skewers, some steak skewers, macros for the week. There's the final product. Meat on sticks, always a great way to get your macros in. Meal prep ready to go for bowls, for salads, for anytime protein snacks. Take care of yourself. Meal prep. It'll save you time, it'll save you money, and it'll save you calories.